Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I turn these $13 jeans from Walmart into some trendy, cute shorts. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Let's get into the video. I first want to say I did not come up with this idea. I saw this on TikTok and I just want to try it. I will leave her TikTok account down below. I believe her name is Danielle. So I will leave her TikTok account down below and also on the screen here. The first thing you're going to need is a pair of jeans. She recommends this brand Rustler from Walmart. These are $12.95. They are men's jeans, so it's a little tricky to find your size, but once you do, it's great, right? Next thing, you're going to need a small cutting board. You're going to need a pair of scissors. Also, if you have one of these tools, I'm not sure what it's called, but it looks like this. This works great. You will need a Sharpie. You will also need some Clorox bleach. This bottle was actually empty, so I just put some bleach in here that I had, and then I put some water in too. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so you're gonna wanna take your jeans, remove all of the tags off them, and then you're gonna wanna fold the jeans this way. Okay, so then next what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna measure down 4 inches from the inseam, and then you're gonna want to use your cutting board or a ruler, whatever you have, and put it on there, and then you want to angle it up a little bit, and then you just draw a line with your Sharpie. Then you're gonna wanna grab your scissors, or if you have this tool right here, you're going to cut it. I'm going to cut it on my countertop because we are replacing our countertops. But if you have nice countertops, make sure you put a cutting board down under it so you don't ruin it. Change of plans. This tool doesn't cut, so we're just gonna go in with some scissors. Okay, now that you got them cut, you're just gonna wanna take your scissors and cut some slits up. I'm just gonna go about a half an inch maybe. So now you're gonna take your cutting board and you're going to put it in and make sure you pull the pockets up so you don't cut the pockets. I'm going to try this again. Hopefully this will work. All I'm going to do is cut a couple slits. We're gonna cut one kind of lower down, like right here. And I'm making the slit really small. You'll see what it will look like afterwards. I promise you this is gonna look awesome. So I'm gonna do 2 slits. I wanna make sure I stay away from the crotch area because I did this before and I made the slits too long and I wasn't able to wear the shorts because the slit went too close to the crotch area and you could see my underwear. So we don't want that. Just like that, and then do it the same on the other side. Make sure you pull the pockets up, you guys, so you don't cut the pockets. Oops, I want to stay towards this side. Just like that, we have our 2 slits. Then we're gonna flip them over and we're gonna go in with our scissors, and I wanna do a little bit of cutting back on the pockets here because I want them to look a little bit more distressed. So I'm just gonna cut really small holes because when we wash them and they fray out, I want to be able to still put stuff in my back pocket. So we're gonna do 2 of them. I'm gonna just cut them anywhere. Make sure you pull up on the shorts like so you don't cut through them. And like I said, I'm just doing small little slits, if you can see that. We're gonna do it on this side too. Now that we're done with the cutting, we're gonna take them outside and we're gonna spray them with bleach. So now I have them outside and I'm gonna go in and spray my bleach water mixture on them. When you're spraying them, you wanna make sure that you get all of the creases, because you see how the crotch wants to fold here? You wanna make sure you get that flat so you can get this all sprayed. Okay, so that spray bottle didn't work, so I just put it in this bottle here. Hopefully, yeah, this works. So like I said, you wanna make sure you spray this all over the jeans. And then you flip them over and repeat it on the back. If you want areas to be more bleached than others, just make sure you put more of the bleach water on that area. And then I will go and fold them like this so then I can get this area too. Now you're just gonna let them sit for a couple hours and then come back and we might have to spray some more bleach water on it if it's not the desired look. So we'll be back. So now you want to take your shorts and throw them in the washer and wash them once or twice and then throw them in the dryer. Okay, so this is what they look like when they're done.
Boom!
My husband is filming. I think they turned out super, super cute.
Oh yeah, look at that. Meow.
If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!